Class 11, good morning. In the subject of mathematics today, you will be doing the chapter relation in continuation, and second part of it is functions. So there is a difference between relation and function. So first we will define function in terms of relation. Okay, all relations cannot be function, but which relations can be function? Here I have defined it first so that you can understand, as it is also the concept from abstract algebra which you can understand only after understanding relation, and on relation I have discussed a lot earlier on. So definition of a function in terms of relation is a relation R from set A to set B is known as a function if its first entry is not repeated. This is the definition of function in terms of relation. That is, every relation is not a function, but every function is a relation. This is always true. So you write the ordered pairs of R as elements. So he says only those relations are function in which x coordinate is unique. That is, it is not repeated. Now examples I have taken here. Let R1 equal to distinguish between relation and functions, I have taken the examples. Let relation R1 is 1, 2, 1, 5, 2, 3, 3, 9. R2 has elements 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 8, 7, 4. And R3 is 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. So I have defined here three relations. So you have to tell me which relation can be function from above definition. So clearly you can see R2 is a function as each x coordinate of R2 is different. 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 8 and 7, 4 are different x coordinates, and that is why it is R2 is a function, it can be taken, not R1 and R3. So here R2 is a R2, R3 and R1. R2 is relation as well as function which can be taken as a function also, but R1 and R3 cannot be taken as function by definition of function in terms of relation. Now it is necessary to define it mathematically. So mathematical definition of a function is, it is defined this way: let x and y are two non-empty sets, then f is called a relation from x to y if following two conditions are satisfied. Both the conditions must be satisfied. That is, for every x belonging to x there must exist a y in y. What does it mean? No entry of x should be left which is not making image in set y. So every element of x should be covered by some elements of set y. This is first condition. And second, each element of x belonging to x must have unique image in set y. That is, x should not be f related with two different or more than that elements of set y. Now to discriminate it, you can see I have drawn here two diagrams, Venn diagrams. So f from first and second. So second f is not a relation, it is not a function, and first one is always a function, that you can see. By above definition you can discriminate. First is a function, but second is not a function, it can be only taken relation. So first f is function, but second f is not function, it is only a relation. Make a note of it, and then we will discuss tomorrow more about it. After noting down it, you have to show it to me.